Hello children, good morning. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will read a new chapter in English literature, that is your chapter 3, Town Mouse, the Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Okay. So children, today we will read the Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. So in this chapter we are going to read about two mouse, the one which stays in town and the other one which stays in country, and how their lifestyle, how the lifestyle of town mouse we will read, and how is the lifestyle of country mouse we will read in this chapter. So all of you take out chapter 3 children. So children, let's begin our story. Okay. So one day the town mouse visited his friend who lived in the countryside. "Hello friend, how have you been? Greeted the town mouse. "Very well, my friend. Please come in. You must be tired after the long journey," said the country mouse. The two friends talked until the night fell. The country mouse lit a lamp, but the town mouse was not comfortable. Then the country mouse offered his friend all the good things he had to eat for dinner, a slice of cheese and some berries, but the town mouse did not like the food at all. "Dear friend, how can you live on such poor food?" "I eat delicious food in the town," said the town mouse. So what happened in the story we will read now. So see, once upon a time, what happened? The town mouse, he visited his friend, the friend who stays in the countryside. Okay. So children, what do you mean by countryside? The land and the scenery of the village area. Countryside means the mouse who is staying in the countryside, that means he is staying in a village. So one day our town mouse, he visited to his friend who stays in the countryside, that means who stays in the village. Okay. So what happened? The countryside mouse, he greeted the town mouse. Okay, and he offered, the two friends, they talked late night, they talked until the night fell, so they talked the whole night, they talked with each other. Then the countryside mouse, what he does is he lit a lamp, but the town mouse, he was not comfortable at all. He was not feeling comfortable with that lamp. Okay. Then what happened? The country mouse, he offered the town mouse some very good things to eat for the dinner, like cheese and some berries he offered him. But then also the town mouse, he was not happy. He was not liking that food at all. Okay. Now what happened? The town mouse, he asked his friend that, "Dear friend, how can you live on such poor food?" And he asked his friend that, "How you are living in such a poor food? Because I normally use," the town mouse, he is telling to his friend who stays in the countryside. The countryside mouse, he is telling, okay, that "I eat delicious food in the town," said the town mouse. Now look at your next page. At night, the country mouse made a nice bed of hay for his friend, but the town mouse could not sleep as the hay pricked him all over. He scratched and scratched all night. So what happened? At night, the country mouse, he made a nice bed for his friend, but then also the town mouse, he could not sleep because that hay was pricking. Pricking means, children, pressing the skin sharply, causing pain. Pricking. Okay. So that when the town mouse, he was unable to sleep on that hay because all the night his body were pricking due to that hay, and he was scratching and scratching all night. Okay. Then what happened? In the morning, the country mouse greeted the town mouse happily. "Good morning, friend. Did you sleep well last night?" he asked. "Not at all. Life in the country is really difficult. The food is not good and there is not even a proper bed to sleep on," he said. "You must come with me to the town and see what a comfortable life I have," said the town mouse. The country mouse thought for a while and agreed. "All right, though I am happy here, I will come with you," he said thoughtfully. The two friends reached the town by evening. The country mouse was awestruck by the glitter of the town. A little later they reached the house where the town mouse lived. It was a huge mansion. The country mouse could not believe his eyes when he saw the sack full of grains and nuts in the pantry. So what happened at night when the country mouse, he made a nice bed for his for his friend who stays in town, but the town mouse was not able to sleep in the bed because that hay, it pricked him all over the body and he was scratching all the night. Then in the morning, when the country mouse greeted the town mouse, he asked him that whether you have slept nicely last night or not. Then the then the town mouse, he replied that no, it is too difficult for me to sleep last night, and I was not able to sleep last night. Then he told his friend that why don't you come to the town? The town mouse, he told to the country mouse that why don't you come to the town, because there I live very nicely, and I normally eat a lot of things, very nice food I eat there, and why don't you come there? Then the town mouse, he thought for a while and he replied, okay, then I am happy living in the countryside. Then also I will go to town to see how you are staying there. Okay. Then both the friends, the town mouse and the country mouse, they both come to the town that evening. Okay, they reached in the town at the evening. Then the country mouse, he was awestruck. Awestruck means filled with surprise by the glitter of the town, with the town's lightning, and in the towns there were full of lightning with the reflected light. Okay, in the town there was full of light, glitters, and full of reflected light, and the town mouse and the country mouse, he was in surprised by seeing the town, the condition of the town. He was full of surprised. Okay, a little later they reached that house where the town mouse lived. Then after a while they reached the house where the town mouse lived, and it was a great mansion. Mansion means, children, a huge building. Okay, a huge building. It was a large house, and when the country mouse, he saw, he was full of surprise, that he was so happy to see, and he was full of surprised also, and he was not believing in his eyes that he was living in such a good house. Then the country mouse could not believe his eyes when he saw the sack of full of grains and the nuts in the pantry. Then what happened? The country mouse, he was not believing in his eyes, and because he saw a sack full of grains and the nuts in the pantry. So what do you mean by pantry? A small room in a house used for storing food. So the country mouse, after seeing all these things in the town, he was full of surprised. Okay, he was in a surprise. Now a little later, the town mouse took his friend to the dining room. There stood a table full of leftover of cakes, cheese slices, pies and pastries. The two friends ate as much as they wanted. The country mouse nibbled on some cake at first, then he decided to taste the pie. I have never eaten such tasty food in my life. Thank you, friend, for bringing me with you, said the country mouse happily. So what happened? A little later, what happened? The town mouse, he took his friend to the dining room, and both of them stood over the table, and they ate all the leftover foods like cakes, cheese, slices, pies, pastries, everything. And the two friends ate as much as they wanted. Then what happened? First, the country mouse, he took a nibbled. The country mouse nibbled on some cake at first. Nibbled means took a small bites of the foods. Then after tasting, he decided to eat the pie. Then he ate all the foods, cakes, pie, cheese slices, and he was too happy to eat all that things because they are very tasty. So the country mouse, after eating that tasty food, he was very thankful to his friend who stays in the town. And he thanked him. The country mouse, he thanked to the town mouse. Okay. Now what happened? After the two friends had eaten their fill, the town mouse took his friend to his mouse hole. The bed was soft and made of silk, but the country mouse could not sleep due to the noises on the street. So what happened, children? After the two friends ate, they have taken their dinner. Yes. After taking their dinner, the town mouse, he took his friend to his mouse hole, and there the bed was too soft and it was silky also. Okay, and the bed was soft also. and the country mouse, but he was unable to sleep. The country mouse was unable to sleep. Why? Because of the noises that are created from the street. Okay, the noises are coming from the street, so he was unable to sleep nicely. Then look at your next page. The next day, the two friends were feasting again on the leftovers when a big cat tiptoed towards the dining table. The town mouse shouted, "Friend, run as fast as you can. It is a cat." The two friends jumped down the table and scampered down the mouse hole. Then somehow managed to enter the hole, leaving the hungry cat behind. So what happened the next day? Again, the two friends, they were feasting on the leftover food. At that time, what happened? A cat, he came slowly to eat the two mouses. Okay, to eat the two mouse, he came there to the town mouse to eat the town mouse and to eat the country mouse. The cat, a big cat, came very slowly, and when the town mouse, he saw that cat, he shouted at his friend that run as fast as you can because it is a cat. The two friends, they jumped down from the table and they scampered. They ran very quickly towards the mouse hole. The two friends, they ran very quickly towards the mouse hole. Then they somehow managed to enter the hole, leaving the hungry cat behind. So they left the hungry cat behind, and they managed to enter the mouse hole. Now that was a narrow escape, said the country mouse, panting for breath. Friend, I do agree that you have a good life in the town, but my life is better. Though I eat simple food and sleep on a simple bed, there is at least no cat to scare me. Saying this, the country mouse went back to the country happily. So what happened? Now that was a narrow escape, said the country mouse. What does the country mouse said after? Because he was too scared. When the cat ran after them, he was too scared, and the country mouse said that thank God it was to avoid being killed or getting seriously hurt. Narrow escape means to avoid being killed or getting seriously hurt. So now that was a narrow escape, the country mouse, he said, and he was taking a deep breath. Then what the country mouse, he said to his friend, the town mouse, friend, I agree that you have a good life in the town, but my life is better. Though I ate simple food and sleep on a simple bed, there is at least no cat to scare me. Saying this, the country mouse, he went happily to the country. Again, he went back to his country for staying happily because he was happy in his country. Okay, so children, what you have to do, you have to read this chapter twice, and you have to read the meaning also, and you have to write the word meanings in your English literature copy. Okay.